Have you been following the news about the gold prices lately?
Yes, I have. It's been quite the topic of discussion. Gold seems to be on the rise again.
Absolutely, and I'm wondering why. I mean, it's always been a safe haven asset, but this recent surge is impressive.
Well, there are several factors at play here. First, there's a lot of uncertainty in the global economy right now. Inflation rates have been climbing, and people often turn to gold as a hedge against inflation.
That makes sense. I've also heard that central banks around the world have been increasing their gold reserves. Is that true?
Yes, it is. Central banks have been diversifying their holdings, and they see gold as a reliable store of value. Plus, it's a way to reduce their dependence on the US dollar.
Interesting. What about the geopolitical tensions we've been hearing about?
Geopolitical tensions definitely play a role. The ongoing trade disputes and political uncertainties have made investors nervous. When there's instability in the world, gold tends to shine.
And what about the COVID-19 pandemic? Has that had an impact on gold prices?
Absolutely. The pandemic has led to unprecedented levels of government spending, which can contribute to inflation. People are also concerned about the long-term economic consequences of the pandemic, so they're turning to gold as a safe asset.
So, it seems like a combination of factors is driving the gold prices up. Do you think this trend will continue?
It's hard to say for sure, but as long as these uncertainties persist, gold could remain an attractive investment. However, it's essential to keep in mind that gold prices can be volatile, and market conditions can change rapidly.
That's a good point. It's always a bit of a gamble with commodities like gold. Thanks for the insight.
You're welcome. It's essential to stay informed and make investment decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance.
I completely agree, Sarah. It's crucial to have a well-thought-out investment strategy and not make impulsive decisions, especially with something as valuable as gold.
Absolutely, Tom. And speaking of investment strategies, some investors also consider gold mining companies and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that track the performance of gold. These can provide exposure to the gold market without owning physical gold.
That's a good point. Investing in mining companies or ETFs can offer diversification and potentially reduce some of the risks associated with owning physical gold. Plus, they can provide liquidity.
Right, liquidity is essential, especially if you need to access your funds quickly. Physical gold may require additional steps to sell compared to other investment vehicles.
So, it seems like there are various ways to invest in gold, each with its own set of advantages and risks. It really comes down to an individual's financial goals and risk tolerance.
Exactly, Tom. It's important to do thorough research and consider your investment objectives before making any decisions. And it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor for personalized guidance.
Thanks for the valuable insights, Sarah. I'll definitely take all of this into consideration as I think about my investment portfolio.
You're welcome, Tom. Remember that the key to successful investing is staying informed and making decisions that align with your financial goals. Good luck with your investment endeavors.
Thanks. I appreciate it.